Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, what we're doing today is we're going to go and do an unboxing of the Coloured Raine Mystery Box that they did. I saw it pop out the other day or whatever on like Facebook, Instagram, I know it was everywhere. And it was only $20, so I'm super excited. I have not opened it. So let's go ahead and see what we got in our lovely box. It does feel heavy, like heavier than I would assume for $20. So I'm excited. I'm seeing some stuff. I don't know what this is. We're just gonna kind of set it aside. And I'm trying to rip it open. Now, it is supposed to retail, Jesus, for $70. I guess I didn't cut it open well enough. It's supposed to retail for $70, which is, or a value of $70, sorry. Which is exciting, for only costing 20 bucks. So I'm super excited. It honestly looks like a lot of stuff for what it is, so I'm actually kind of stoked with this. So far, ooh, this is what I hope it is. I don't know if it is or not, we'll see. I think I just got something else. There's so much stuff in here. I'm just emptying out and then I'm gonna show you. So again, remember that this costs $20. Alright, so we have, so far, 4 of these Coloured Raine, or obviously Coloured Raine, but it's their liquid glitter topper from their Power collection. So I don't know if we have all of them, but I'll open them in a second so we can check it out. It looks like we have a couple of these Flawless Perfecting sponges. Ooh, colors, way to expose. I don't know if they're gonna be different shapes, maybe. So one's called Apple Rain. Oh, it looks pretty. It's green, cute. And then the other doesn't have a name. So, whatever. And it is yellow, so it's super cool. 2 sponges. I'm excited. I didn't even see this. This is super cute. It looked in the box like it was like red. So this is, I don't even know what this is, but it's wrapped like, so it's like a present. Oh, that's cute. What is this? Coloured Raine, Candy Cane Rain. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I mean, this is definitely sponge heavy, but I mean, who doesn't love sponges? Look at both of these. These are so cute, aren't they? Red and green, and then I believe they came with soap. Yeah, 2 cleansers. What the heck? Okay. That is pretty sick. And a cute little box. Like, hello, so far, this is... I'll be honest, this is killing any mystery box I have ever received so far. And I'm, like, literally... I'm not hating anything yet, which is weird, because most of my like mystery boxes, you hate something. So, this is a highlighter blush duo. I do have one. I don't know which one I have. So this is definitely not one that I have, but I'm getting a little excited for a second. Here's the one that I have. I literally used it. I used it today for my highlight on my lid. My makeup area is such a mess. I'm very excited, though, to have another one, because oh, here it is. Ha ha ha. This one. So it is in Improve My Royalty. Jesus. But this shade of highlighter from this is so good. But I'm really excited to have this as well. So Damage Control. So this shade's a little bit darker, the highlight shade. So I obviously, whoa. I mean, I might be able to use this as a highlighter because it kind of doesn't look too bad on my skin. And then the blush is really pretty. I remember seeing these on clearance, or like on sale. And when I bought the original one, this one, the Prove My Royalty, I don't really know why these weren't more popular. These are literally killer. I wish that I really hope that they create more of this, because whatever, especially this, oh, it's good. And I can even tell the gold as well is really sparkly. So if I don't use it as highlighter, which I'm not a big highlighter person, but I've literally been using that other highlighter on my lids all the time. So I'm super excited. Okay, let's just open these because I'm curious. So we have the Liquid Glitter Topper Conspiracy. Jesus. I don't remember seeing these at all. Oh, that's pretty. Like, are you supposed to shake it? Let's give a little shaker. So I don't know, how well that's gonna do. It's, I don't know. I mean, this may be my first one and I may just have to like mix it up a little bit in there. So this could totally just be how I'm using it. But it's not coming out very like pigmented. It's very kind of like, so for me with glitter, I want, if you can't tell by this drag makeup, I want like it to, I mean, there's still a sheen, but I feel like it's mainly showing a sheen from the wetness. I don't really see glitter. So, I don't know. We'll see. But we have 3 other ones to look at. I mean, part of me is wondering if maybe some of these, you know, products, usually they do this in mystery boxes, just don't sell super well. But honestly, for everything else that we've had, I'm not mad. So this is, I think it's called Indictment. It's like a purple. This actually looks really pretty. I do feel like most of these are going to be kind of like sheer, and they're, or not sheer, but I don't even want to call it. They're meant to go, I mean, they're called a glitter topper, so like, I don't know, I'm being ridiculous here, and expect them to be like full pigment, but I have a feeling they would look gorgeous over like a black or any other kind of like deeper colors. This is called Rico. I'm still very excited. Oh, this is like a silver. I have a feeling like I need to shake these up. This one's pretty separated. But I don't see as much glitter as I would like to. I don't know if honestly, if these were meant to replicate the Stila ones or what. Okay, this one, I don't know. I swirled this one a little bit more, and I feel like I'm getting like a bit more pigmentation, or whatever I'm gonna call it, payoff. So I might just really have to give them a good shake. This is like a silver, and that's actually very pretty. So, cool with that. Next, we have yet another one. I mean, still, regardless of this, I feel like this feels like an over $70 value, in my opinion. This last one, oh my god, it's gold. It's really pretty. It's called Connect. This, honestly, looks like the best one. You can see there's not really any, like, bubbling. So, I don't know. We'll see. This looks pretty. Oh, yeah. See, I don't, like I said, if I need to really shake these up well or something. It's like, it's whatever this base is. Maybe it's the wand. I don't know. It feels like it shears it out or something. Like, or I don't know what you want to call it. It makes it more like splotchy, or like I said, obviously I want a more like, boom, stay there kind of thing. Okay. Next, we have, I know it's still, again, $20. I'm still going to keep saying $20. I literally, like, of any company I have tried mystery boxes from right now, like, this is killing me how good this is. Like, I am dying. So we have some single eyeshadows. So this is called Superstar. I don't know if this is new. I literally have no idea. How am I supposed to get it? Oh, there's like a sticker. I actually have been getting, I feel bad like ruining the packaging. I've been getting into more single eyeshadows, and I'm starting to depot some of my old eyeshadows from palettes that I just don't really use. So I am always excited to have new shadows join the team. So Superstar is again, if you'll know from my last video, I am definitely colorblind, so this could be a gold or a green. I am not sure. I feel like it looks gold, and by the name Superstar, I'm gonna assume it's gold, but, you know, who knows? This could be, I mean, come on. Hello, holy, I'm gonna curse. Holy shit, look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, that is a really good gold that I think. I'm pretty sure it's gold. It looks like a gold. Let's go ahead. I'm going to add this to my new palette. Speaking of which, funny enough, I didn't even know that this thing was going to come today. Most of the eyeshadow on my lid today is Coloured Raine. It's the, this palette, the Vivid Pigment and Shadow palette. And then I did use a little bit of blah, blah, blah. I don't know where it is. It's the Urban Decay. It's like, oh, here it is. I need to get my makeup organized. It's this. I used this guy here, this blue, Vega from the Urban Decay Moondos palette. Old as F, but I found it forever ago at TJ Maxx, and I don't know why that palette did not get as much love as it does from me now. Okay, so this one is Golden Olive. See, when there's names that are like, the context, or whatever you want to call it, is easy, I'm like, alright, Golden Olive, got it. It's definitely a greenish, you know, like this to me, I could be like, that looks brown. I don't know, or, you know, like a bronze. But apparently there's green in there. Awesome. So that's what that looks. See, this just looks straight up brown. I hate being colorblind, because that literally looks like just straight up. I mean, like, I feel like my brain's like, no, you're not colorblind. Yeah, that looks green. No, whatever. Okay, lastly, we have Cinnamon Lust. Ooh, that's fun. Sorry, not lastly. We still have something that I have never seen before in my life, and I'm very excited. I really want to hug the people from, or I think it's, I don't know how many people it is, Coloured Raine. I know Lorraine is like the owner, CEO, whatever. Like, yeah, can we say that, dude, killing the game with this? So yeah, Cinnamon Lust. And that's that color. These are so pretty. Dude, I am so, again, I don't know how much these retail for, but like still 20 bucks. I paid $20. $20. I mean, God, I am dying right now. Okay, this last is, I have never heard of this. Focal Point Glow Lighter? Is that what that says? Glow Lighters, sorry. Alright. This is very pretty. Oh my god. Dude, I need to buy more Coloured Raine. I mean, now I have like 5,000 tons of Coloured Raine, but it's a brand that I feel like I've been like I've been getting into more, but I want tons more, and I mean, come on. Anytime there's a mystery bag again in the future, I am definitely gonna bite, because this is, like I said, killer. So this is the packaging. It's called Cutie Pie, and it looks like it is a pink. I don't know if this is it says pressed highlighter. It literally doesn't look like a highlighter to me. This looks kind of like a blush, if I'm honest. Okay, no, it does have some glow. It's not, I don't know, I don't feel like it's picking up on camera. Maybe, like, a little bit. So this is definitely, it's not bad. Where the hell is it? Oh, there it is. It's right there. It's very similar, I guess, to my skin tone. It looks more pinky. But, this is definitely, I would say, one of those highlighters, in my opinion, that's more, like, lightly glowy. I don't know, not like, boom, I'm glowy. It's like, I'm just a hint of glow. Compared to, so that's, I don't know, I'm confused, because, I don't know. I'm not gonna say this is bad. Maybe it's because it's called a glow lighter. It's meant to be glowy. I'm assuming. I'm just gonna go with that versus, like, this in-your-face glitter. I obviously like in-your-face more, but you know what? Let's try it on if I can. Oh, my brushes are dirty. I'm gonna use a eyeshadow brush. Oh, why not? Because it's clean. Pick up a little. It literally looks like a, I would say this is probably like a blush highlighter. I don't know. Can you see anything? I mean, I don't know. It literally, I feel like this blends so well into my skin tone. I don't know. I don't know. If I'm honest, sorry, again, Coloured Raine, I love you. This, I mean, like I said, this could be a great blush. Don't get me wrong, but that's all I would say this says. This is a slightly shimmery blush. Or a glowy blush. There you go. And maybe for people who are really into that, that's great. I do feel like I see a little bit of glow compared to the other side. So, cool. I may have done it wrong because, like I said, I don't really wear highlighter, and yeah, I don't know. But, yeah, cool. I have a blush. So, I mean, I would say out of everything, that is probably the one that I'm, like, the most just, like, meh about. But, honestly, I really still kind of don't care. I, I kind of feel like this is over $70. And again, I don't know, but I'm very, 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 very stoked. So, like I said, I would definitely, this is pretty much it for the video, or not obviously, but this is basically it for the video. Um, if you get the chance, jump on it, dude. Like, this is ridiculously great. Like, every other mystery bag I've ever gotten, like, I'll be honest, I was expecting lip gloss. I hate lip gloss with a passion. I hate it. I don't wear it. Like, if I wear lipstick, it's a matte lipstick. I don't like lip gloss. And there was not a lip gloss, dude. Yes. Like, I feel like, I know that people like lip gloss, but I feel like at times my brain isn't like, is lip gloss just like the product they give to everybody? Like, because nobody likes a lip gloss except for me. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, like I said, not like I said, I feel like some people would probably be bummed that they got like 4 sponges. I really don't fucking care. I love sponges. These feel really good. And they're so pretty, dude. I am very, if you can't tell, I am extremely excited. Um, okay, that is it for this video. Yeah, I will see you guys on my next one. I'm gonna go play with some of my fun goodies. Okay, bye!